Welcome back to our next session, still in our LMS demo course. I believe you had time to practice what we learned in the previous session. We saw how we can add a course picture, how to add users, and also how to rename this section. As we did before, feel free to pause this video at any point such that you can practice whatever we are going to do. So remember, this mode must be on for you to add anything. So in this session, we want to look at how we can add resources for our learners. Let's say for our week 1, we are now trying to add content for our learners. So under each of these sections, if you're in the editing mode, you will see an option of add activity or resource. And when you click on it, you will see a number of things, but we shall learn them with the time. For the start, just know that we have what we call activities and resources. Activities, those are where learners are engaged. The learner is expected to type, is supposed to upload, to do something. Those are called activities. While resources, mainly, those are where learners are expected to read, to watch, to view. So there is no active engagement in that case. So that is the language used here. Now, let's say there is a file you want to give to your learners. Maybe a document, a presentation, and so on. Those are called the files. So amongst these, you will click on File. Then you see this icon or notification. Whenever you will be seeing it, just know that that field is required, is mandatory. You can't leave it blank. So like here, a name. You must give that file a name in the system. So let us call it guiding document. Then now you come here, like the way we added the course profile, to upload the file regardless of the file type. So you tap on this, come to upload, then choose a file. So you go to your device and select the file. It could be a Word document, a PDF, whichever. So for my case, this is the file. Then click on upload. So for these other settings, you can leave the default, then save and return to course. You see, the file is here. Let us also look at another option where we want to now. There is a video on YouTube which you feel your learners need to watch because it's related to what you are teaching. For example, there is a video I've identified and talks about welding introduction. So I'll click on this add activity or resource. This time I'm going to look for URL. Now whenever you're going to use a link, whether a link from YouTube or a website, you use URL. So you tap on it. Again, you have to give it a name. For example, now a video, give it a name. A video on welding. Now this is where you put that link. So you have to go to your website or the source where that video is. In this case, it doesn't mean that URL should always be a video. It can be a website, a page somewhere. So, but for this case, it's going to be a video. So there's a video I landed on, talks about an introduction to welding. So I feel my learners need to watch this video. I don't need to download it. I will just come and copy this. That is the URL. Then I come back to my course. Then I paste it here. I can right click, then choose paste. So that is the link, the video. Then if you want, you can give some description what the video is about. you are instructing or telling the learners this video. Now if you check this box, it means that whatever text you put here is going to be visible to learners even before clicking, which is terms good. So for now, leave these settings and then save and return to course. So you see, now for week 1, at least our learners have some materials or content that they can use. Thank you. Always remember to go back and practice.